I just had the opportunity to speak at a roundtable discussion organized today around prescription drug abuse. I talked about my legislation called the Comprehensive Addiction Recovery Act and the need for us to get that legislation passed because we're in a crisis in states like Ohio. Overdoses from prescription drugs and heroin is now the #1 cause of death in Ohio. Recently we had a death in Cincinnati of a young man who left 2 kids behind. The photograph of that funeral in an open casket has gone viral. Why? Because it affects so many of us. So many of our loved ones, friends, neighbors, co-workers are getting affected now by this issue. There are things that the federal government can and should do to help local communities, to help the states to be able to respond to this, and that's what our legislation does. I also talked about the need for us to focus on prevention and education to avoid people getting into the funnel of addiction. That's a dark place. We need to do all we can to help those people with better treatment, better recovery, to take away some of the stigma so that we can actually help people get back on their feet. But ultimately, if we can keep people from getting into addiction in the first place through better education, through better prevention, we know that works. Prevention First is a group I started in Cincinnati many years ago. They're doing a great job at that. So are others all around the state of Ohio. I was in East Cleveland recently meeting with a anti-drug coalition there. They're doing terrific work, telling young people there is a choice. There is the opportunity to live a healthy life, drug-free life, and therefore to have more opportunities in life and achieve their dreams. That's what we ought to be promoting as well. So this is an issue that affects us all, affects us in Ohio, and I'm going to continue working hard on it.